It's Friday the 22nd.
Possibly.
It's possibly Friday the 22nd of March 2019, and it's the girls' last day of lessons. Lunchtime today, we find out whether or not they get their badges. Very excited about that. But I think, Maria, it's about time we talked about the elephant in the room here.
You're going to talk about camera gear again?
No, I'm not going to talk about camera gear. I'm
hooray.
going to talk about Flaine and how it's a little bit of a concrete jungle.
Yes.
It's a little ugly.
It's not gorgeous French village with
No.
lovely little wooden houses everywhere.
And if it had not been for the ep5 apartments and the ease of the ski in, ski out, yeah, let me adjust that. There we go. And the ease of the ski in, ski out, I'm not sure we'd be so inclined to come back.
The ep5 apartments right at the top of the hill are lovely because you just look down on all the lights and look down on a concrete jungle and don't really notice it.
So you don't really see the concreteness of
The
Flaine for a
80s, the 80s kind of,
70s,
okay,
Art Deco.
accommodation.
which of course is when Flaine was created in the 70s, which makes a lot of sense. Because it looked cool back then, but I thought I'd just address that just in case anyone thought that we were jumping around that subject really. Yeah, so if you want to avoid the concrete, just stay in the ep5, either Helios or Deos. But that view, and that view, are the ones you should be looking at. Should we crack on? Right, girls, we'll come get you. just got onto the button lift, which takes you from Glenforey all the way back to Helios and Dale's apartments, and we've just spotted that Olivia is ahead of us on this button lift. So check this out. Just under that pylon. Yeah, the really smug one that keeps turning around. Concentrate, Liv. Look at her, like a boss. Please don't fall off there. Right, time for the awards.
Bon, est-ce que vous êtes prêts pour la cérémonie des médailles? Oui. Hein? Do you earn your badge, my friend? Do you think you earn your badge?
Yeah! On a quelques-uns qui arrivent à freiner, d'autres un petit peu moins, mais ils commencent à avoir un bon équilibre et ils étaient contents d'être là. Olivia, elle est où Olivia?
Ah, il y avait Snowflake comme badge.
Oh, mais ça va, allez.
Sam.
Non, non.
Le badge. Et mes premières étoiles aussi. Voilà.
Well done.
What did you get? Did you get the teddy bear level? Wow! High five! Good girl!
Elle s'appelle Isabella. Where is Isabella? Ah, Isabella, bravo Isabella. Congratulations, it's nice, nice.
Did you get your 3 stars? Yeah. Did you get them? How many stars did you get?
Look at that. Well done, Bella. Pleased?
Yeah.
Good job.
Right, let's
Good job. Mwah. Well done.
big, big smile.
Everyone together now. Lift up your voice to stop the sound. You will never stop us now. We're up too high and we won't come down. We're up too high and we won't come down.
So Bella and Livy have got their badges. Bella got her 3-star gold. Good job, Boo. And Livy got her awesome teddy bear badge.
Yeah.
So we're very proud. And so today we're using our second bonus day to enjoy the slopes again, because of course we have had 2 extra Saturdays we didn't think we were going to get out in the snow. Win-win. So we've got Bella out, practice her skiing. Not that she needs practicing because she's now better than Daddy.
She's teaching me.
Right then, should we enjoy our last day?
Yeah.
Should we go that way?
What are we going to go and find for you?
Hot chocolate.
Bella, can you
your
point
thing.
at something?
Monk Blunk, this is.
Here we go, right, last run of the trip, and we're here with the well-earned apple juice, and Bella's got,
That's not an apple juice.
and Bella's got, what have you got there?
A hot chocolate.
Cheers. It's too hot. It's too hot at the moment.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's crazy hot. Do it with your spoon.
Charles.
And so concludes our trip here in Flaine. It's the 4th year in a row. And will we be back next year, Bella?
Yes.
Probably. Anyway, here are our best bits.
Roll VT.
What she said. Roll VT.